Today we will see atomic size and periodic trend of atomic size in periodic table. Atomic size. Atomic size is also called as atomic radius. Atomic radius means the distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell of an atom. Here we will see there is a center of the nucleus to the outermost shell. This particular distance, it is called as atomic radius. Now this atomic radius will also gets varied when we will go through period or through group. That's why there is a need to see this periodic trend of atomic size. Thus we will see atomic size or atomic radius is a distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost shell. This atomic radius is measured in picometer. That is the unit of this atomic radius. Means if this distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell is 4, then it is 4 picometer. And here 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 meter. This is about the atomic radius. Now we will see periodic trend of atomic radius. In last lecture we will see about the periodic trend. Now we will see this periodic trend in atomic radius in period, that is from left to right, from the atom lithium to sodium, lithium to neon, sodium to argon. This is about the distance elements from left to right in periodic table. That is the period. That we will see what happens with this atomic radius. As we goes from left to right or in period, atomic number increases, and as the atomic number increases, we already see number of protons and number of electrons are also goes on increasing. But in this case, means when we will goes through the period, the number of electrons increases and these are included or adjusted in the same shell. That's why when we will see the nuclear force, this nuclear force of attraction on outermost shell also increases. Means as the number of negative charge on the outermost shell and number of positive charge in the nucleus increases, its nuclear force of attraction also increases, and thus these electrons are attracted more towards the nucleus. Thus the distance between the nucleus and outermost shell is decreases, and accordingly atomic size also decreases. This we will see with the help of diagram. Here there are the elements from lithium having atomic number 3 to fluorine having atomic number 9. All these elements are arranged according to their electronic configuration. In the first diagram we will see here the one electron is present in the outermost shell. In case of beryllium, 2 electrons are present. In case of boron, 3 electrons are present. Accordingly, as we goes towards the fluorine, it contains total 7 electrons in the outermost shell. This indicates that across the period, number of electrons increases from left to right. Thus, the nuclear force between the nucleus and all these outermost electrons will also gets increased, and because of that these outermost shell come towards the nucleus. Thus we will see clearly in this diagram the size of lithium is more as compared to that of the fluorine, or when we will goes across the period its atomic size decreases, and therefore this will shows clearly as we goes across the period atomic size decreases. This is the periodic trend of atomic size or atomic radius in the period. Now similarly we will see what happens in the group. When we will see the group means from top to bottom. In that case atomic number increases, their number of shells also increases, means hydrogen contain only one shell. Similarly lithium contain 2 shells, sodium contain 3 shells, means number of shells are gradually increases. As the number of atomic number increases, nuclear charge also increases, and distance between the outermost shell and nucleus also changes, and therefore nuclear charge increases. And as the nuclear charge increases, atomic size also increases. Means when we will go down the group, atomic size or atomic radius increases. This can diagrammatically we will see here in down the group. First we will take an example of an element hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. Their electron distribution and atomic number are also mentioned on the right hand side. Hydrogen having atomic number 1, lithium 3, electron distribution 2, 1, sodium 11, electronic distribution 2, 8, 1, and potassium that is 19, 2, 8, 8, 1. Means as we will see the electronic configuration, along with these the number of shells, means hydrogen contain only one shell, lithium contain 2 shells, sodium contain 3 shells and potassium contain 4 shells. This distance from the nucleus to the outermost shell increases, means as we goes down the group from hydrogen to potassium, the atomic size goes on decreases.